evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman-American YouTube channel. And today we're going to be flying along the beautiful Ohio River as Martin and I in October of 1999 console ourselves on the loss of John. Stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Bulletin board of Mount Comfort for 24. That's not bad if it's in good shape. Yeah, but I'd rather buy a Yankee. I was just going to say, you get to the price of a decent Yankee now. Last night on the Grumman gang for $14,500. That's getting down there in pocket change. Yeah. Avionics in them. The guy goes, narco this and narco that. Now what, narco? What do you think the Cubs going to have in it? Nothing but air and opportunity. That's it. Target, Martin, target of opportunity. Ah, shit. What, that cop car? What cop car? He does. Well, that's pretty funny, a farmer getting off his tractor with a cell phone. Oh, they were happy. Yeah, the guy had a cell phone, too. So where are you guys at, Roscoe? We're swinging around Louisville right now. Yeah, you got power lines. I saw them. Okay. Let's make sure. We're still 10 feet above them. I'll read the sign down here. 7 Mile Lane, okay. Pardon. Pull up. Warning. What's up, Mark? That's an interesting building. Oh, it's another... I was about to say, this is an interesting building until I realized it's a casino. Yeah, it looks like a cross between a shopping mall and a mosque. Oh, that's sick, but it's true. Oh, that's Martin. It's the Allah of the 7. Oh! Hey, turbulence. Damn, dude. What's all this about? I think I'm going to have to climb underneath it. Climb underneath it. Still has quite a bit. It's the wind rolling off that ridge. Go down and get Martin on tape. Pot on tape. Oh, you bastard. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh! Well, that was some G-loading. Why don't you come right 20 degrees, we'll head direct. Head direct where? Rough River. You guys aren't flying down the river? Yeah, we're on the river, but we just decided to go direct. It's very turbulent down there. I noticed a couple of patches like that, though, coming down. It'll be real rough for just a couple of minutes and then smooth out again. Yeah. We're showing.
Freckles, our cat supervisor, and we'd like to introduce the new cats to you. We have Hopscotch there on the left. The other small ginger is Tarzan. He came with that name, and his sister will be popping up in just a second, and her name is Sweet Pea. These are the new cats that we've adopted into our home. It's going to be a nice little family, and we're having a ball. Thanks for watching.